Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from rebelalchemy. Today we'll be discussing the Sacral Chakra, including the pathology and diseases you can expect to encounter when the Sacral Chakra is blocked or imbalanced. I've actually been told off for saying the word chakra incorrectly, but that's how we pronounce it here in the UK. But apparently it's chakra, so I will endeavour to use the correct pronunciation from now on. Before I get started, please remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. The Sacral Chakra is also referred to as the second chakra, and you can find it located about 2 inches below your belly button, just inside the pelvis. It's symbolized by the color orange and is associated with the element of water and the sense of taste. The Sacral Chakra represents pleasure, our right to want pleasure, to feel pleasure and to have pleasure. It's also very significant because it governs our work, career and finances. So if you're having issues in this area of your life, that would indicate a blockage or imbalance that needs to be addressed. Overall, the Sacral Chakra controls our emotions, relationships, sexuality and sensuality. It's also the incubator for our inner child and any subsequent inner child issues that may develop during adulthood. The Sacral Chakra controls our creativity, motivation, passion, pleasure, self-gratification. Along with the base chakra, it fosters our sense of self and identity and is strongly related to movement and fluidity. It represents authority, blame, power, control, ethics and honor. It's indicative of the bond that we make with other people outside of our immediate tribal and family group. The Sacral Chakra governs the female reproductive organs, the urinary system, the kidneys, bladder, the lower back, pelvis and the hips. For women, it's an absolute powerhouse. It's the center of creation in all respects as it gives birth to life. This is one of the reasons why so many women experience gynecological issues. It's because there's a constant struggle between having a family and having a career, and both principalities are governed within the Sacral Chakra. The Sacral Chakra is formed between the age of 7 to 14 years. At the age of 7, the etheric umbilical cord which connects the child to the mother falls away, and it leaves the child independent and able to relate to other people outside of the immediate family. The etheric umbilical cord is like an energetic cord. Although we can't see it, it does exist within the energy field. The sacral represents everything that is liquid in the body, like our hormones, saliva, tears, plasma, gastric juices, sperm and lymph. When the Sacral Chakra is balanced, it symbolizes motivation, good boundaries, emotional intelligence, the ability to adapt to change, the ability to have fun and to discover. It's also our ability to experience desire, to give and receive pleasure. It's our confidence and self-esteem. It represents how we cope in situations of danger, our instinct, how we defend ourselves, and our ability to achieve our goals. When the Sacral Chakra is blocked or misaligned, it produces some of the same emotional and behavioural issues that you find within the base chakra, but some notable differences may include blocked creativity, blockages surrounding your career and finances, addictions including sex addictions, guilt, shame, jealousy, manipulation, codependency. You may also exhibit obsessive behavior, instability. You might be very needy, overly sensitive, teary, volatile, or emotionally numb. Malfunctions in the sacral also indicate poor social skills, lack of awareness regarding your own needs, and sometimes you might be overly concerned with responsibilities. As the Sacral Chakra governs our sexuality, it's also an incubator for sexual dysfunction, sexual abuse, lack of desire, lack of passion or excitement. Now for the disclaimer. If you do identify with any of the traits we've mentioned, do not panic. It's normal for us to have a few negative aspects, but if any of the issues are dominating your life detrimentally, you will need to do some work to remove any blockages that are within the chakra. With regards to the pathology and diseases that manifest in the sacral chakra, that can be a result of restricted movement during childhood, abortion, growing up in an alcoholic family, being dismissed or neglected as a child, and basically any fears that we have about losing control. You might develop conditions such as gynecological issues, infertility, endometriosis, fibroids, menstrual issues, maternity complications, cellulite, lymphatic disorders, edema, impotence, and urinary tract diseases. It can also indicate issues surrounding the menopause and andropause, as well as eating disorders, depression, and sciatica, which are jointly connected to the base chakra. If you wanted to work on balancing your sacral chakra, there's several methods that you can try, such as doing something creative. The sacral chakra governs our creativity, so this energy needs to be released through some artistic outlet, whether that is painting, crafts, writing, poetry, or music. Music on its own is fantastic. The sacral chakra is symbolized by the musical note of D. You can also work with crystals. Orange crystals correspond with the sacral chakra, such as carnelian, coral, moonstone, bloodstone, and hematite. You can try yoga. Tantra corresponds with the sacral chakra. You can also work with essential oils, ylang ylang, sandalwood, lavender true, jasmine, geranium, orange, and moon water. You can wear orange clothing, and you can say affirmations stating that you are worthy of divine love. Lastly, remember the golden rule. If you do have a serious ailment that we've just mentioned, it's advisable to seek healing in the first instance, as you want to push back on as much of the disease as possible before reverting to the maintenance techniques, which you can then use on a daily basis. So there we have it. Please stay tuned for the next video on the solar plexus, where we'll take a look at the pathology and diseases that manifest when the solar plexus is blocked or out of alignment. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you would like to support the channel, you can find the details in the drop down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.